As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two gas grills, the MASTER COOK 3-burner and the Cuisinart Grillster. Want to help me compare?
Sure. I see the MASTER COOK is bigger, right? 46.5 inches wide versus the Cuisinart's 20.5 inches.
Yeah, definitely. The cooking area is way bigger too. 472 square inches on the MASTER COOK, compared to only 146 on the Cuisinart. That's a huge difference. I guess it depends on how much grilling I'm planning on doing at once.
True, but the Cuisinart is portable. It weighs only 13 pounds and has a locking lid, perfect for camping or a small balcony. The MASTER COOK is almost 47 pounds.
Good point. I hadn't really considered portability. What about power?
The MASTER COOK has 3 burners putting out 30,000 BTU, whereas the Cuisinart only has 1 burner with 8,000 BTU. So the MASTER COOK will definitely heat up faster and probably give you more even cooking across a larger area.
Okay, so bigger and more powerful versus smaller and portable. What about cleaning?
Well, the Cuisinart has a dishwasher-safe cooking grate, which is a huge plus for easy cleanup. The MASTER COOK doesn't mention that, so I'm guessing it's hand wash only.
Cleaning is important to me. What about features? Anything stand out?
The MASTER COOK has foldable side shelves, which is handy for prep space, and a built-in thermometer. The Cuisinart boasts rapid setup, like under 5 minutes, and no tools needed.
Rapid setup is appealing. I'm not the most handy. Price-wise, the Cuisinart is cheaper at around $110, compared to the MASTER COOK at about $199.
Yep, that's a significant price difference. And the Cuisinart has a 3-year warranty. I didn't see any warranty information on the MASTER COOK.
Okay, so to recap, MASTER COOK is bigger, more powerful, has side shelves and a thermometer, but is harder to clean and move. The Cuisinart is portable, easy to clean, quick to set up, and cheaper, but has a smaller cooking area and less power.
Sounds about right. It really comes down to your needs and priorities. Are you grilling for a crowd or just yourself on the go?
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.